Mark the opening area with the template. Cut out the opening and align the machine. Tighten the 6 screws to finish. Install the mount in a spot with unobstructed sunlight. Install the solar panel to mount. Connect the solar panel to the machine's charging port to finish.